what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. If you're new here, welcome. We do makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, pretty much everything in between. So if you're interested in that, don't forget to subscribe if you yet have not already before you end this video. So I recently went to the Dollar Tree and I picked up more makeup. So the Dollar Tree really as of recent has intrigued me with their makeup because, spoiler, I found some really good liquid eyeshadows. So made the haul all worth it because I was super excited when I found these liquid eyeshadows. But anyways, I'll stop rambling and grab a snack and let's get into it. Okay, so for foundation, I picked up this Wet n Wild Ultimate Sheer Tinted Moisturizer. Be aware if you find this, it has like air in it, so it kind of just popped everywhere in front of me just a minute ago. I also picked up the Sassy Chick BB Beauty Benefit Cream. This has multi-action skincare plus makeup, all the good stuff. And I picked up the shade Light 1. The only thing I'm noticing is that this BB cream looks extremely fair for me. So I think I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild one. The lighter one to my left, your right, is the BB cream, and then we have the Wet n Wild one right here. So I think I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild one. So I do like the packaging. I do like that it's squeezy too, because you don't really have to like swap it on your face with a wand or anything like that, like my Rare Beauty one. I do love that foundation, but I hate that I have to like be smearing my face with it and then putting it back in. Not the cleanest way of applying foundation, but anyways. Ooh, it's kind of thick. What am I doing? Okay, let's spread that out. And it looks like it's still a little light, but maybe we can deepen it up with some bronzer, so it's okay. I have noticed from my past Dollar Tree hauls that they kind of oxidize, and the foundations that I've had picked up in the past have oxidized. So let's see how this one wears on the skin as we do our makeup. So it says tinted moisturizer, so I'm not expecting the craziest coverage, but that's okay. Oh my god, it just freaking popped off again. Okay, anyways, I will just go on the sponge again. Actually, it's a little thick, so getting it onto the face is not the easiest, but it's okay. Okay, I think that is it for the foundation application. I'm going to now apply concealer. So I figured, when having already the experience of shopping at the Dollar Tree, I knew that one of these was going to be too light, because for me at the Dollar Tree, they're either way too deep or way too light. I'm still looking quite ghostly, so we need to hurry and get to the bronzing part. But I'm going to be applying this BB cream as a concealer. So I intentionally did not buy a concealer because I knew, okay, one of these can work for concealer underneath the eyes. Oh wow, yeah, this would have been way too, oh my god, this would have been way too light for the under eye area. I can always go back and add coverage, but for now I want to kind of just go in with some bronzer. So now that we're looking ghostly. So for bronzer, I picked up the LA Colors Pressed Powder. This is just a deep powder, pressed powder in a compact, and I picked up the shade Tan. And the reason again was, look how this puff looks. Like, what is this? Anyways, it's okay, I have a brush. What I was saying was that the bronzers at the drugstore are not the best. The only one that I recommend, and you should go check out my other video I did on the Dollar Tree makeup haul, is the LA Colors one. That one's really good. I'll link those videos down below. I made 2 already, so go check it out. Look at that. This is really good as a bronzer because it has like that almost golden undertone, so it makes me look nice and warm. Adds warmth to the face. I like that choice. Really good choice. And again, that shade is Tan. So pressed powder in the shade Tan by LA Colors. Super nice. Does this close? It looks like it's struggling here. Let's see. No, it won't close. Oh, you go sideways and then it locks. Clever. Alrighty, moving on to blush. I picked up the LA Colors Powder Blush. If there's one thing that I know by now that's really good at the drugstore, and it's a hidden gem, is the LA Colors blush. The blushes are really, really good. This shade is the shade Peach Rose, Peach Rose, and I highly recommend you remembering the names when I do these videos, because they do have quite a selection and you can kind of get overwhelmed on which one would be good. So let's try this one out. I've tried already two. Like I said, I've done 2 videos of Dollar Tree makeup hauls and I've loved each and every one of them. So hopefully I like this one as much. This is really pretty. This one, only thing is that it looks like it has some sparkle to it. Hopefully it's not glitter, but this is what the packaging looks like. Just standard clear plastic. And then we have the shadow right here. Let me swatch it. Really pretty. It's like a rosy color. I like how the shimmer glitter, no, it's more like shimmer. The shimmer actually kind of falls off, so it doesn't really stick or adhere to the blush. So I like that. So I'm going to be applying this right on top. You can clearly see it gets pigment right away. This one is not the greatest for my skin color, actually. So if you're deeper skin complexion than I am, this probably won't show up on your face, which is really strange because it looks a lot like it's going to be deeper in the pan. Okay, but nevertheless, you can still see it. I'm tripping. Okay, I'm tripping. I can see it. Like, looking straight forward, you can see it, right? You can see it? Okay. So, really nice blush. I do like the formulas on those. The blushes are great. Really quickly, before I forget, I did not pick up a eyebrow pencil. And the reason why specifically was because when I was there, I was like, okay, none of these are good. Save yourself that dollar that you would spend on a terrible pencil at the Dollar Tree and get yourself the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. Super sturdy packaging, great spoolie, nice retractable pencil, really nice and pigmented. It's great. It's $2. Honestly, way worth it than going and getting a crappy pencil at the Dollar Tree. So that's what I have on the eyebrows. I just skipped it all in all because I already knew that that guy is super affordable, and I highly recommend if you have not checked out that brow pencil for such an affordable price. It's great. Okay, moving on to my most favorite and exciting part of this video is the eyes. So I picked up the LA Colors Sunset Break eyeshadow palette, whatever that means. Sunset Break. Sunset is more like orange golden colors, but you know, at the Dollar Tree, nothing makes sense. Am I right? So, okay, so taking it out of its package, this is what the compact looks like. Really pretty colors. I do want to see if, oh, look at that brown. I do want to see if the colors are pigmented. Those are the 6 color, wait, yeah, 6 colors in the pan. Not bad, really not that bad, honestly. So really nice. So besides that eyeshadow palette, are you ready for this? I picked up these Wet n Wild, what are these called? Because I wanted to let you guys know what they're called. These are the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Shimmer Liquid Eyeshadows. Again, by Wet n Wild. This is the packaging. I was really scared because looking at them, they look like, oh, they might be crusty and dry. Probably, maybe even expired. Let's hope not, but you know. So you don't know what to expect. So I was like, okay, let's see how they work. That's why I got a couple items. I got the eyeshadow palette. I picked up these 2 hanging from the rack. And then I also picked up, before I get to those, just wait. I also got the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Paints Metallic. So this is the shade Brass Knuckles. I don't know why. God, heavenly. Look at that. Super pretty copper bronze shade. I also got these two. So these two are the shades, let's see, Shells and Whistles, and this one is Cashmere Love. So let me go ahead and swatcheroo because you are not ready for this. Okay, you ready? I wasn't playing around. Look at that. Beautiful color, beautiful copper, like penny almost, like a rose gold. Really, really pretty shades. Nevertheless, I really am happy that I picked those up. Like, those are going to be used and abused after this video. Okay, so let's stop rambling. I'm going to pick up this palette right here, and I'm going to pick up this transition shade. Let's hope. Quite powdery, but it's okay. It's shadow. Okay, picking up this as a transition shade right here. Let's see if it actually has any pigment. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Okay, picking up this brown shade right here. I'm going to just apply a tad bit on the outer part of my eye. Wow, look at that. Really good, nice pigmented brown. That's nice. Hard to find at the Dollar Tree. Really nice brown. Not patchy whatsoever. Okay, then going in with this little lighter, like kind of warm brown. I'm gonna just kind of finish where I left off, applying that dark brown, and apply this shadow. Then let's go in with one of these guys. Let's just go for it. Oh boy. Okay, so I just wanted it super intense, so I went in for the third time, but that looks stunning. Oh my God, I'm so freaking happy right now. Okay, that looks so good. So good. Like, I don't even want to do anything else. Let me finish off the other eye, and then I'll come right back and we'll finish up our makeup look. Okay, so I am back from doing both eyes, so I had to go finish off the other eye, and let me just say I'm blown away. Like, I don't know if you feel the same, but this eye does not look like it was created with Dollar Tree makeup. It's really good. Like, now I feel like I have to do another video because I really want to use this, but I was so excited to try this, but then I didn't even get to try this. So I'm gonna have to do another video, maybe just save these. So anyways, I really love how this shimmer looks. Like, it just took it to the whole another level. But anyways, let's move on. I'm going to curl my lashes because we all know how it is with Dollar Tree mascaras. This is the LA Colors Bold. You like how I'm telling you this while I'm curling my lash? This is the LA Colors Bold Plump Lashes. Sounds amazing. Blah, blah, blah. They try to like hype it up on packaging, and from experience, they just suck. So the one I recommend is the Essence Princess. It's super affordable. I think it's like $5-6. Oops, dropped it, sorry. But let's see. Do not disappoint, brush, please. Okay, so I just finished off the mascara on this side and the lower lash line. I honestly am not wowed by this mascara, which I wasn't expecting to be. I really love how my lashes look, so I definitely would add lashes or just really like add a good volume mascara, and it'd be the perfect eye look. This little palette, by the way, is really, really good. I did like this inner corner shimmer champagne situation with this shade right here, and then I just used these two shades for the lower lash line. So really, really good palette, not bad at all. I do like even these by the swatch. Haven't tried, but again, they had really good pigment when I swatched them. Okay, so to wrap up this look, we are going to be using the LA Colors Hydrating Lipstick. I don't know, like backwards. but it's creamy wear and has vitamin E and aloe vera. Okay. Okay. Definitely not a bad lipstick. It's just the LA Colors lipstick. And the hydrating one. Where is my lid? Jeez. Okay. Got that clear lid. Love that. You can know what color you're picking up when you look at it. So that's nice. It's not clear. This completes the look for the Dollar Tree makeup haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Top 2 things that I recommend, which you already know how I feel about these, are these Wet n Wild liquid shadows. So good. I really want to do a tutorial using this one. And then the blushes, highly recommend. Maybe not this one so much for my complexion. I like my blush to be more of a pop color, but highly recommend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.